First, I think people who are already passionate about nature and sustainability. People who are clear on what they want to focus on in the future, people who really want to promote sustainability. I think they're the ones who will benefit more from this bootcamp. And then people who are willing to share their time, effort, in getting the message across to others, those who do not have access to workshops such as the Bamboo Bootcamp. My name is Belen. I'm from San Pablo City, Laguna. I call myself a farmer, teacher, maybe a farmer entrepreneur as well. I came to the Bamboo Bootcamp because I'm like a sponge. I'm always interested in a lot of things. And siguro dahil 40 plus na ako, I thought I should begin pursuing whatever I want to do with my life. I have been interested in the Bamboo Bootcamp for a while now, and this time, everything aligned. I'm here right now. I would say I actually got what I wanted. What really got me to decide to come here were the photos of people actually doing the work. I've been to so many workshops in the past, and there were so many demonstrations. And then when I get home, I don't know exactly where to start. What Bamboo Bootcamp gave me is the confidence, to hit the ground running as soon as I get home. I would say it's the balance of the blend between theory and practice, and also the circles. I really appreciated the circles because it's a 10-day workshop. It's not all about bamboo. It's refreshing that we do these circles in the morning, and before we call it a night, we get to know other participants better. So I think that stood out for me. Well, as a farmer, of course, my favorite is the first module, which is the propagation module, and I think it's the module which I can easily pass on to other farmers. I'm connected with other farms as well, and I think it's the module that I can easily share with them as soon as I get home. The second module, up to the last module, is something that I look forward to honing more. The skills that I learned, I want to hone them more. But first, we know that the issue right now is demand, and I mean supply, to cover the demand for bamboo, all types of bamboo. So I think that's where I want to focus on right away. For me, what I learned here in the Bamboo Bootcamp is a new tool which I can use to empower others. I think, well, personally, I think I'm at the point in my life where I need to find meaning in everything that I do. And in terms of the whole aspect of sustainability, I see where bamboo plays a role. And it can be harmoniously connected with other things that I am passionate with, like organic agriculture. Soon I will be learning about permaculture maybe, and other technologies. These technologies or these practices together can help me promote sustainability more and communities around me, and then communities in other areas as well. That I can do these things that we did in the workshop. I usually, when I need something, I usually ask our workers to make a chair or make a table. And now that I've spent 3-4 days building these things, I've become more comfortable holding knives, these power tools. I usually shied away from this because I'm afraid of getting wounded, but now I'm more confident handling them, and maybe I can also teach others to use them. It is worth it. I got more than what I expected. For me, this is an investment, not only of money, of time, and sweat. This is an investment for the future. And I'm so happy that at least I'm taking steps and doing my part in making the future greener for the next generations.